Very good afternoon, friend. This chapter is related to class 6 NCERT polity subject, and chapter name is key element of a democratic government. And in my last video, I told about diversity and discrimination and government also. And in my last video, I told about the democratic government in a very simple manner, because this chapter last chapter is related to class 6 NCERT is a very good chapter for explanation of a democratic government. So please go through this my last video for understanding of a democratic government, because that video is important for a developing understanding about democratic government. Okay. Now, what is a democratic government? In my last video, I told about what is democratic government, how can choose democratic government, and what is a role of a democratic government. And in this chapter is related to elements of democratic governments. Means कि many elements are related to democratic government. तो फर्स्टली डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट मीन्स कि हम जो है गवर्नमेंट को हम खुद चूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है. तो वी आर चूज़, ओके, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट. तो वी आर चूज़ अवर गवर्नमेंट फॉर आवर सेल्फ. हम अपने लिए ही अपनी गवर्नमेंट को चूज़ करते हैं फॉर रूलिंग ऑन आवर, फॉर रूलिंग ऑन ओवर ऑन आवर. ओके, मतलब कि अपने ही ऊपर हम रूलिंग करने के लिए अपनी ही सरकार को हम चूज़ करते हैं. एंड थ्रू द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मीन्स कि हम कोई जो लीडर चूज़ करते हैं, तो वो लीडर जो है एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव जो है वो काम करता है हमारे लिए. ओके, तो ये कहलाती है डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट, जिसमें जो है पीपल है वो खुद ही अपनी गवर्नमेंट को चूज़ करता है, ठीक है. तो वी आर चूजिंग अवर गवर्नमेंट, हम खुद चूज़ करते हैं अपनी गवर्नमेंट को. तो यही कहलाती है डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट. तो व्हाट इज़ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट? तो फर्स्टली before dealing of elements of democratic government, some type of other information are also important. First is like a South Africa. In a South Africa, South Africa have several races. Many types of races are in a in Africa in past, not in a present time also, but in a past many types many types races were present in South Africa. And these type of races are and they differentiate to each other through the color. Means कि which type of a politics in South Africa, and what is the basis of separation of races. तो apartheid laws are basis of separation on the basis on the basis of race. Apartheid laws means कि color, through the color we choose we can differentiate many pupils through the color. मतलब कि हम कलर के थ्रू हम जो pupils को है डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं. like the one pupil is a white color and other pupil are black color, and according to that color these government in this time in South Africa, according to color those pupils were survive in different condition, and those pupils were get in different facilities according to those color. जैसे कि कोई pupil ब्लैक कलर का है फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, तो उसे अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं मिलती थी, ठीक है. एंड उसे अच्छी हेल्थ सर्विस नहीं प्रोवाइड होती थी. अच्छे है वो ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर्स में भी पब्लिक व्हीकल्स का वो अच्छे से यूज़ नहीं कर पाता था. जैसे कि बस हो गया, ट्रेन हो गया, उन सब में उनको जो है उनके साथ क्या किया जाता था, उन्हें जो है पनिश किया जाता था यदि वो किसी वाइट पीपल्स के उसमें आ जाते थे, बोगी में आ जाते थे. उनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा ही डिस्क्रिमिनेशन उनका किया जाता था. काफ़ी ज़्यादा उन्हें जो है परेशान किया जाता था. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू कलर, तो एक अकॉर्डिंग टू कलर जो है सेपरेशन था रेसेस का इन साउथ अफ्रीका. एंड अगेंस्ट द apartheid law a great leader of नेल्सन मंडेला जो है उन्होंने इनके अगेंस्ट फाउट किया था एफआरडीएड सिस्टम के अगेंस्ट, ठीक है। एंड 1994 में उन्होंने जो है साउथ अफ्रीका डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री बना दिया था, ठीक है, बन गई थी। तो डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री का मीन्स होता है कि हम जो है अपनी गवर्नमेंट को खुद चूज़ करते हैं। उसमें गवर्नमेंट को चूज़ करने में सभी को जो है रोल होता है। हमें वोटिंग राइट मिलते हैं जिसके थ्रू हम अपनी गवर्नमेंट को चूज़ करते हैं। और ये हमने पास जो है वीडियो में इसके बारे में आपको बताया था, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया। तो वह जो पार्टिसिपेशन होता है, पार्टिसिपेशन इज़ अ वन एलिमेंट ऑफ अ डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट। इट मीन्स कि यहाँ जो पीपल है उसका पार्टिसिपेशन होता है गवर्नमेंट को चूज़ करने में, और पीपल जो है एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अपने लीडर को चूज़ करती है जो उसके डिमांड्स को, उसकी नीड्स को जो है सामने रखता है, ठीक है। तो ये होता है। तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इज़ अ पार्टिसिपेशन, एंड सेकेंड एलिमेंट इज़ रिलेटेड टू डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट एंड व्हाट इज़ द वेज ऑफ पार्टिसिपेटिंग, कि कौन कौन से डिफरेंट वेज़ होते हैं जिनके थ्रू हम पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं अपनी गवर्नमेंट में, ठीक है, अपनी गवर्नमेंट में। तो पहला वेज जैसे स्ट्राइक करना, ओके। कोई भी काम जो है गवर्नमेंट हमारे अकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर रही है, हमारी नीड्स के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर रही है, तो जो है हम क्या करते, सिग्नेचर मूवमेंट्स होते हैं, स्ट्राइक होते हैं, हम उसके अगेंस्ट जो है हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर देते हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पास कई एग्ज़ाम्पल भी दिए गए हैं कि हम कैसे करते हैं, क्या क्या हमको राइट्स मिले होते हैं किसी भी जैसे कि यहाँ देखिए हम धरनाज देते हैं, ठीक है, स्ट्राइक करते हैं, सिग्नेचर कैंपेन करते हैं। ये सब जो है ये पार्टिसिपेशन के जो है हमको क्या क्या है डिफरेंट टाइप्स के हमको ये इसके थ्रू हम पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं, ठीक है, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट में और अपनी गवर्नमेंट में। और ये अदर जो है वो और एलिमेंट्स कैसे, जैसे न्यूज़पेपर हो गया, मैगज़ीन हो गया, टीवी हो गया, इनके थ्रू भी हम क्या है गवर्नमेंट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को जो है हम निर्धारित करते हैं कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है। यदि कोई गलत स्कीम बना रही है गवर्नमेंट, कोई गलत रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बना रही है, तो हम उसके अगेंस्ट भी जो है इनके थ्रू हम एक्शन लेते हैं, ठीक है, कि आप इसके अगेंस्ट आप ये गलत कर रहे हैं, आप इसे सही करिए। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जिनके थ्रू हम जो है अपना पार्टिसिपेशन जो है हम बताते हैं कि किस तरीके से हम अपने गवर्नमेंट में पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं, ठीक है। और दूसरा बट यहाँ जो है अब बहुत सारे जो है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट भी होते हैं। तो दूसरा क्या है, डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट का एलिमेंट क्या है कि बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को वो रिजॉल्व भी करती है जो डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट। जैसे बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कैसे हो गए हमारे यहाँ, अवर कंट्री हैव अ डाइवर्सिटी, मैनी ह्यूज टाइप ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी, मैनी कल्चर्स, मैनी रिलीजन, मैनी कम्युनिटीज़ एंड मैनी कलर, नॉट कलर, many type of geographical diversity, many type of climatic diversity and different type topological diversity. And due to this diversity many different pupils are live in our country, and different type many pupils is spoke in a different language, different types language, okay. And according to these, according to culture, according to language, according to climatic and geographical diversity, many pupils have a different type of food habits and food habits material and many other diversities, and huge amount of diversity are present in our country. And because of this type of diversity, that type of a diversity in a one part, it's a diversity is a very good for a making of our country, is a very beautiful, but other part of a diversity is not good and create many type of a conflict in our society. And because of this type of a conflict create many type of problems in our society, because in many festivals, in many communities are the fighting with each others due to many reasons. Many cultures are fighting with each other, culture related community, many religions related community, because different people, different types of pupils are live in our country, and each and every pupils have a different thoughts, their different food habit and different things. Okay, so because of these things and because of that reasons, many types of a conflict will be generated, and because of that conflict create many problems in our society. So we need our government also control this type of a conflict through the different part of a government, like police, like army, Sena, our Sena army, and through the this part of a government, because in my last video I told about a different part of government also, and through the this part of government control a different type of diversity. It means ki democratic government have a different elements that need to resolve a conflict. Okay, and other thing is a conflict, this is a completed, and next is that other type of conflict is related to river. River conflict is a it's a big conflict in a present time, because water scarcity is a big issue, because day by day water the shortage is increase in our country. And in newspaper we read in a past, Chandigarh cities have not underground water in present time. Chandigarh city is a pre-planned city, and it's a planned city, but in a present time Chandigarh city has not groundwater, and it's a big issue. Then water scarcity, it's a big issue in present time, and because of that issue many types of water related problems are increased day in day by day. And due to these problems, because many river in our country have many rivers, and many rivers pass through in one state to another state. Okay, because a source of one state, and another state is flowing in a many state, and because of a flowing of a river in many state create a many types of disputed. And for here is a many example of dispute, like Kaveri water dispute, and it's a very important questions for a mains answer writing. Many times many questions are come from this topic and this dispute. And and second objective type question related is Raja Sagar Dam. Where is the Raja Sagar Dam in Karnataka, and which river is related to Raja Sagar Dam? So it's a type of objective. And Mettur Dam is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and it's also objective type question also here answer. So here is some type of questions related to objective and means for a means answer writing. So this type of a dispute are also related to river, and that type of dispute are also controlled by our government and resolved by our government. So our the democratic government it's have a different type of elements is resolve many type of a dispute, and that dispute is created to many things. Okay, many reasons for creating of that type of a disputes. And a river to okay, so here is a that. And equality and justice is that other element of a democratic government. Equality and justice means ki the in our country have a diversity and different type cultures, different type religions, different type uh, things, many language and other diversity. Okay, and because of that diversity many pupils, many types of pupils are living here. And because of that reason equality and justice is a major issue. And it means so our democratic government have a different other elements is related to equality and justice. And our government maintain equality and justice in our country, like untouchability it's a big issue for our country in our past, but our government banned that type of untouchability, and because that type of issue create differentiation and discrimination in our country, and many communities are discriminated due to untouchability. So our government banned that type of issue, and maintain equality in our country. And justice means the justice is also maintained by our government, our democratic government. It means equality and justice is another element of a democratic government, like a sex, okay, the girls and boy, okay. According to sex, in our past, many types of discrimination created by sex, and not and not equal right. Girls and boys not have a equal right, okay. Girls is discriminated by our society, and they are not give her equal right as compared to boy. And so our government also maintain equality in our society and justice in our society, and make many law regarding to maintain a justice in our society. And due to that type of law, and due to that type of government work in present time, not have a use that type of discrimination in our society, and girls are also have many equal rights as a boy. Many types of the equality and justice is also another type of elements of democratic government. Okay friends, thank you, and this chapter is finished. And you have any type of questions related to this topic, so please give me in my comment box, and I will try to explain in my next video regarding to your question. And please, okay, and okay, be serious, and pay attention in your study. And okay, bye, thank you.